Getting a customer to buy the first time is the hardest and most expensive thing your store does. You paid for the traffic, or you earned it. You convinced a stranger to trust you enough to hand over their card details. That's a significant achievement. And then most stores let that customer walk away with no plan for what comes next. The first sale is actually just the beginning. Here's how to build what comes after. Repeat customers spend more per order, convert more easily, and cost less to reach than new visitors. The math is straightforward, but acting on it requires a different kind of site architecture than the one most WooCommerce stores are set up with. So in this video, I want to walk you through 3 things that turn a first-time buyer into someone who comes back. So capturing them into a system that keeps the relationship going, staying relevant after a transaction, and keeping your store social proof fresh so each new visitor is easier to convert. The email list is what makes repeat purchase behavior possible. Without it, every customer who buys from you and doesn't return is simply gone. You have no way to reach them and no way to bring them back. Most WooCommerce stores have a subscribe form somewhere, usually in the footer, and it gets a fraction of the traffic and a fraction of the conversions it could, because it's only capturing visitors who are actively looking for it. Thrive Leads lets you capture subscribers at every natural moment in the visit, not just in the footer. Could be an exit intent that fires when a visitor is about to leave, whether they bought or not. Or an inline form embedded within a blog post or a product description. Or a sticky ribbon across the top of your site for first-time visitors. Each of these touches a different type of visitor at a different point in their journey. And each one builds the list that makes every future promotion more effective. Oh, and one detail worth knowing. Thrive Leads has a feature called Smart Links. Once someone is already on your list, you can use Smart Links in your emails to hide the standard subscription forms when they visit your site. So they don't see the join your list prompts for a list they're already on. They see something relevant to where they actually are in the relationship with the store. That's just overall a better experience, and it lets you use the same screen space for a different, more relevant offer. Could be a loyalty incentive, a new product, or a review request even. The window immediately after a purchase is when a customer's engagement with your store is highest. They just made a decision. They're thinking about the product. If you're going to introduce them to something else, now is when they're most receptive. This is where your email platform does the work. Thrive Leads captures the subscriber and passes them directly to your ESP. Whether that's MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, or Kit, or any of the major providers. The post-purchase sequence, a welcome email, a product onboarding tip, a follow-up offer, lives in the email platform, which is designed exactly for this. What Thrive Ultimatum adds on top of that is personal urgency. You can set an evergreen campaign that triggers when a visitor clicks a link in one of those follow-up emails. That visitor gets their own personal countdown, a limited offer that's genuinely tied to them, not a fake site-wide timer. And critically, Thrive Ultimatum's conversion event lets you stop the campaign once they've converted. A customer who's already taken the follow-up offer doesn't keep seeing the countdown for it. The system knows they moved on, and it responds accordingly. The combination works because each piece is handling exactly what it's designed for. The email platform handles the messaging cadence, and Thrive Ultimatum handles the enforced deadline when urgency is the right lever to pull. Every customer who buys from your store and has a good experience is a potential testimonial. Most stores let that moment pass entirely. They rely on a handful of reviews collected early on, and that social proof grows stale, or thinner than it could be, while the store continues to acquire new customers who never got asked. Thrive Ovation handles the testimonial collection systematically. You can set up automated testimonial requests that go out to customers after a purchase, asking them to share their experience while it's still fresh. Submissions come into a central approval workflow in your WordPress dashboard, where you can review them, tag them by product or use case, and approve them for display. And those testimonials then display on any page you choose through Thrive Architect. Filter by tag, so the testimonials on your product page for running shoes are from people who bought running shoes, not a generic pool of reviews from across the store. The result is social proof that stays current and specific. New visitors land on a product page and see recent, relevant testimonials from people people like them. That's a different conversion environment than a page with 3 testimonials from 2 years ago. The infrastructure for repeat customers isn't complicated, but it has to be intentional. Capture the right visitors into your list at the right moment. Give your email platform the subscriber it needs to do its job. Use personal, enforced urgency for follow-up offers when the moment calls for it. And keep your social proof fresh, so every new visitor sees a store that's actively trusted by people like them. None of this requires rebuilding your store. It's the layer on top of what you've already built. And Thrive Suite is how you build that layer without stitching together a stack of separate tools. Thrive Leads for the list, Thrive Ultimatum for the follow-up campaigns, Thrive Ovations for the testimonials. The link to Thrive Suite is in the description. And if you want to learn more, I've linked a helpful video above me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something from it. If you did, please drop me a like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.